in today's tutorial issue is that hopefully result if your Wi-Fi is not working properly or connecting on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result, check them back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to go down and select additional troubleshooters. And underneath get up and running, select the internet connections troubleshooter and then run that. And give us a moment here. And then I recommend attempting to follow along with the on-screen prompts here and see if it's able to resolve the problem. If not, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result, you come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control prompt, select yes. Now you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter. Should say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed to DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Hit enter. You will need to restart your computer in order to complete the reset. So close out of here and then restart your device at this time. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.